Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now, a common question I hear is that there are so many website builders out there, so how do I know which one is best? Well, that question depends on what you're looking for in a website builder. But in this video, we're going to review Shopify's website builder to help you decide if it's the right option for your website. I'll mention here that Shopify doesn't cater to people looking to build a personal or portfolio website. They cater more towards people or businesses that want to sell products and make money online. And by the way, if at any point in this video you want to check out and try Shopify for yourself, if you sign up using the link in the description down below, you'll get a special 3-day free trial as well as discounts of $1 per month for the first 3 months when subscribing to the basic plan. So Shopify's website builder ranks first for e-commerce according to Forbes, Tech.co, and QuickSprout, and this is seriously impressive. But what makes Shopify such a great option? Well, the reason is because Shopify focuses all of their efforts solely on the e-commerce industry, so they're able to provide all the tools necessary to succeed in e-commerce. Now, before we get into the whys and whats and what makes it so impressive, let's take a quick look at some of the pros and cons of Shopify. So Shopify is great because it's extremely easy to use for both beginners and pros alike. Now, they offer many plans to suit different businesses, and a huge plus is that they offer a 24-hour technical and customer support. And through using it, I found that the main downside is that Shopify isn't the most versatile website builder, because if your business doesn't focus on e-commerce, Shopify won't have much to offer you. There's also a 2% processing fee charge for each purchase, which will cover the cost of Shopify to integrate with external payment providers. Now, of course, this fee can be overridden if your site uses Shopify Payments, which comes with the advanced plan. Also, in order to access the multi-language option, you'll receive paid apps. All right, let's look at some of the specifics. We're going to look at pricing, the builder itself, flexibility and expandability, SEO, and support. So Shopify offers 3 different plans ranging in price from $29 to $299 a month. Like I said, Shopify has a plan to suit a business regardless of its size. While Shopify doesn't have a free plan, it does offer a 3-day free trial for any of the plans. The first plan is the Shopify Basic plan at $39 per month, and that's Shopify's lowest price option. Despite this plan's name, it's far from basic and includes the following features: an online store, unlimited product listing, staff accounts, 24/7 support, multiple layers of channels, multiple locations, manual order creation, discount codes, an SSL certificate, abandoned cart recovery, gift cards, fraud analysis, Shopify point of sale lite, multi-currency capabilities, social media marketing, and email marketing. Whoa, now that doesn't sound so basic to me. So what's the basic Shopify plan best for? The basic Shopify plan is a great option for someone who wants to get started in e-commerce but doesn't need all the bells and whistles of a larger online store. So if you have some but not a lot of experience in the web analytics and digital marketing, this plan is a great starting point because reports and analytics pages are more straightforward than those included with Shopify's higher price plans, which are optimized for larger businesses that require more in-depth analytics. Now onto the Shopify plan, which is their mid-tier plan. For $105 a month, you can take a step up from the basic plan to the Shopify plan. Now, this is a mid-tier plan that gives you everything you need for growing a business. While it costs $66 more per month than the basic plan, the Shopify plan offers a lot more value, which makes it worth the higher price. For example, this plan includes more staff accounts, more in-depth analytics, and the ability to cater to international customers by offering payment processing in multiple currencies. The additional features that come with the Shopify plan are essential to anyone looking to grow their online business and make more money. So who's the Shopify plan best for? The Shopify plan is more suitable for people who already have a successful e-commerce business, as well as those who want to take their brick and mortar business online. This plan's ease of use and added benefits make it a great tool to help you move on one step closer to taking a small online or existing brick and mortar operation and building the e-commerce empire of your dreams. Finally, we have the advanced Shopify plan. Let's look at the advanced plan, which is the most expensive plan and costs $399 per month. While the price may seem intimidating at first, Shopify designed this plan for much larger businesses, contrary to the other 2 plans. This plan really doesn't offer many added benefits for smaller operations. This is more for larger businesses because Shopify provides things like more staff accounts, inventory tracking across more locations, advanced reporting, and a 76% shipping discount. The advanced Shopify plan helps establish online businesses to develop at a more rapid pace. Now, anyone who's just starting an e-commerce business should look at the first two plans because this plan caters to larger businesses with a lot of employees. So if you happen to have an established online business that sells thousands of products every month and you're somehow not already on Shopify, then this plan is definitely for you. Now let's talk about the Shopify website builder, which is relatively easy to use, but not the simplest out there. And that's because it caters to a particular audience that wants a specific style of a website, online stores. You don't have to know how to code or build custom pages to create a beautiful online store. Shopify starts every store using its default Dawn theme. It's a basic theme, but don't let that turn you off because it's a really nice looking template. But if the Dawn theme isn't for you, you can choose from hundreds of free or premium paid templates in Shopify's theme store to help customize your store. My advice to you is if you have no e-commerce experience, start with one of Shopify's free themes. They're usually the easiest to build with simple modules that still provide a good user experience for your customers. Overall, you can create a functional online store in about an hour with Shopify if you just want the bare minimum in terms of functionality. But it could take much longer to build your e-commerce site if you want to create a compelling and well-designed store. So can a Shopify website effectively grow alongside your business's needs over time? The answer to that question is definitely yes. If you want to run an online store, Shopify is the top tool for creating your e-commerce site. It's also extremely scalable, supporting your business as it grows, or scaling down if your business declines to reduce overhead costs. As you grow, you may need more detailed sites, analytics, and reporting, and you can always upgrade to one of Shopify's higher-end plans. Each plan is specifically designed to grow with you and your business. That's why Shopify hosts more than 500,000 online stores that generate approximately $80 billion in annual sales. Some of the world's biggest e-commerce stores run on Shopify, many of which started with Shopify's most basic plan. And flexibility is definitely one of the best parts of using the Shopify website builder. Shopify is so confident that you can scale your online business with its platform that it specifically designs its services with flexibility and expandability in mind. From the many add-ons and plugins available in Shopify's App Store to the different plans designed to help different businesses grow, Shopify has everything you need to start an online store and turn an existing one into an e-commerce empire. Now onto Shopify's SEO. SEO is the practice of using keywords, meta descriptions, and browser titles to make the content on your website and ultimately your entire website rank higher on search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Microsoft Bing. Because SEO plays a massive role in generating organic website traffic, companies have recently started to hire full-time employees to focus solely on SEO best practices. Shopify automatically offers powerful SEO features that help your online store rank higher in search engines. But in terms of SEO, is it the best website builder? The truth is not really. Wix and Squarespace beat Shopify when it comes to SEO. But not to worry, because while Shopify certainly could enhance its SEO features, their tools still get the job done, especially for smaller operations. And for bigger ones, chances are you'll want an in-house SEO expert anyways. And finally, we'll look at Shopify Support. Having access to a strong support team is essential to making online stores thrive, especially if it's your first time creating an e-commerce site. Luckily, Shopify offers fantastic support services, and Shopify has multiple help channels to enhance customer receives excellent support around the clock. To get assistance, start by visiting the Shopify Help Center. It has a live chat, a user forum, and email support. Shopify's customer service representatives usually respond promptly to any questions you may have, and they're available 24/7. Another type of support Shopify offers isn't really support in the traditional sense, but more of an educational tool called Shopify Compass. This free tool includes a variety of online courses and webinars designed to help merchants learn best practices for enhancing online store performance. With e-commerce experts as instructors, Shopify Compass provides an excellent resource for anyone using that website builder. So who should use Shopify? Small local businesses that want to sell online, artists who want to sell merchants online, artisans who already sell their art online but want to grow their online sales, people looking to get into dropshipping, and medium to large businesses that either already sell online or want to sell online or want to expand their existing online stores. And let's discuss who shouldn't use Shopify. That will be real estate agents, companies that specialize in services versus products, advertising or marketing agencies, and anyone who doesn't plan to sell products online. Like I said before, Shopify is designed to be an e-commerce platform. So after using the Shopify website builder to create an online store, it wouldn't seem fair to give it a bad review. But we'd be lying if we said Shopify isn't the best tool for creating a robust online store you can scale from a side gig to a full-time job. Again, if you want to check out Shopify for yourself, be sure to use the link in the description down below to get the 3-day free trial and only pay $1 after that for the first 3 months on the basic plan. So that about wraps it up. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment below if you have any questions or anything to add, and subscribe for more useful videos and free resources. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.